Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cordless vacuum cleaner and inflatable all in one. How kind of convenient is that? So we're gonna give this thing a try here, and I'll show you guys what it all is and what it contains. So here it is. So it's got a nice looking device here. So that'd be the vacuum end on that end clearly, and then there's where you hook up to do the inflator to inflate the tires. Let me see what other attachments there are in here. So it looks like we have an inflator extender here, so that'll extend us on. And then we have, let's see what else is in here. Oops, dropped a piece. Okay, here's our tips. So that's what we're going to use to inflate our bike tires or whatever. Or this one here will screw on to inflate the car tire. I could just screw it on here. Oops. Well, without it being connected up, it's just going to let all my air out. Let me try this again. There we go. Now, okay, so there. Now it's connected up. Let's turn this on. It says on. It's set for 35, so we want to increase that to 42. And then I think I just pushed the power, and is it going? Pushed the wrong button. So now I'm pushing this button here, so we're at 34.5. So we will let this thing go and see if we can pump up our car to 42. So it should be inflating right now. So let's see the attachments. It comes with this one here, which is good for scrubbing out the... Okay, the phone had overheated, so we couldn't get the full one here. But you can see we are at 41 now, and I think I set it for 42. But let me just stop it for a minute here. And I think we just hold down that, maybe, or... Let's see. How do we stop it? Let's see. There we go. We stopped it, and I'm just going to undo it. And I'm going to show you guys, because we're at 42 already. I set it for 42.5, so it's just not there yet. But you get the idea. So that's that part of it. And then we have the vacuum part of it, which is the other part up here. And so that one there, I'll just show you here. If I push the power, that's our vacuum. And then I can just vacuum up anything in my car. Don't have much because it's pretty clean, but you get the idea. Oh, let me turn it off. So that's it. So pretty sweet little device, does everything, and it came with a charge enough to get my car going, so that was good too. So really nice. Thumbs up from me.